This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all viewers, introduce my name is Nurjana. I am from the second class of Computer and Network Engineering High School of Nazhatul Tullah. In this scan, I would like to present about my article drugs. The accession where the nation in Indonesia. Stay then on my channel and check this out.
Abstract.
Narkoba, narkotika, psikotropika, dan bahan-bahan zat adiktif lainnya dapat membahayakan kehidupan manusia jika dikonsumsi dengan cara yang tidak tepat. Bahkan dapat menyebabkan kematian. Narkoba mempunyai dampak negatif yang sangat luas, baik secara fisik, ekonomi, sosial budaya hankam, dan lain-lain sebagainya. Banyak cara digunakan agar pemakaian narkoba dapat normal dan pulih kembali seperti biasanya, sehingga kepada pemakai atau pengedar dalam ketentuan hukum pidana nasional diberikan sanksi yang berat. Metode penelitian adalah studi kepustakaan. Hasilnya adalah kasus penyalahgunaan narkoba mengalami peningkatan sangat tajam karena belum ada standarisasi sistem pencatatan dan pelaporan penyalahgunaan narkoba.
A. Introduction.
Drug as outside of medical indication with a doctor in the death or prevention and it as is pathological and created of style in activities at home, school or campus, workplace, and social environment. Drug dependence is caused by substance abuse accompanied by student in Tyler and combination of opulent sets which have the cretin of an unstable dress, a tendency to increase the dose, pleasure, and physiological dependence. Drug crime is an international crime. International crime, organized crime, has an attention network, has largely financial support, and has a sophisticated technology. Drugs have a very broad negative impact. Physiologically, economically, socially, culturally, defense and security, and others. So, if drug abuse is not anticipated properly, this nation and country will be damaged. Therefore, good compensation from all combination of the nation is needed to overcome drug abuse.
B. Discussion.
1. Drugs. Etymological narcotics or narcotics come from the English language narcos or narcosis, which means to sleep, and anesthesia. Narcotics come from the Greek, namely or narcam, which means drugs so that you do not feel a thing. Narcotics comes from the word narcotics, which means something that can relieve pain and can cause a stupid effect. Anesthetic and anesthetic, the big Indonesia dictionary defines drug or narcotics as drug that can claim nervous, relieve pain, cause drowsiness, or stimulate. According to medical terms, narcotics are drugs that can relieve especially access and pain that come from the visceral area or the instrument of the chest and abdominal cavities, can also cause a spot or prominent spot in a consent state and cause addiction or addiction. So, that is can be counted. Narcotics are drug or substances that can come near first, cause uneasiness or anesthesia, relieve pain and pain, cause drainage or stimulate, can cause spot, and can cause addiction and are stipulated by the Ministry of Health as narcotics.
Two types of drugs.
E. The white shape that comes out of the shade box of the paper semi-perfume plant which then freezes, and there is as black and brown, and is broadcasted into raw opium or crushed opium. B. Morphine. Morphine in the world of medicine is used as a sedative and medicine to relieve pain or pain, the raw material. C. Marijuana. Termed in marijuana, which may can intoxicating or poisoning the cannabis tree indulged with plants. D. Cocaine is a plant that can be used as smithing drugs, most causing growth in South America. E. Heroin. Unlike morphine, which still has medicinal value. V. Methamphetamine. Speed like cooking speech, namely smell scarcely.
3 dangers of drugs. USE.
E. The brain and nerves are forecast to work beyond their true capabilities under unnatural constraints. B. Circulation of blood in the head due to contamination of blood by substances that have a very strong effect. C. Breathing will not work properly and get tired very quickly. D. The use of methadone, a dose that the body can withstand, will result in the thereby death.
4 causes of drug abuse.
E. By squeezing drug in the target country. Practically, the population or nation in the country countries will gradually forget their obligation attention. B. Economy factor. Every drug addict at any time needs narcotics as part of their daily needs. C. Environmental factor. 1. Factor from outside the family environment. The extension of an international drug syndicate that seeks to partner every bread in the country or with the aim of seeking profit subversion. 2. The informant has been polluted by habits, abuse of narcotics and hard drugs. It is easy to abruptly vitamin out them. This environment is also created by the offers of drug. 3. With environment. An informant like this is an informant that is free from supervision and guidance. 4. Factor from within the family informant. This problem that is afflicting us today begin with the blindness of the partner is pushing his care or object to seek or possess about will do that the net of the family are forgotten.
5. Drug prevention and control.
1. Prevention. Prevention is far more beneficial than cure, for this can be done. 1. Generation prevention. Drug as an international epidemic that will spread to every country. 1. Presidential Instruction Number 6, Year 19700. 2. Law Number 9 of 10976. 3. Director of the Ministry of Health Number 4. Drugs of the Ministry of Health. 5. Law No. On narcotic crime.
C. Conclusion.
1. Prevention and control of drugs are efforts made by the government and the wider community in order to raise Indonesia human resources as a whole, especially in the front of treatment and hate cravers. 2. Using narcotics and hard drugs without crisis control and supervision as well as control to the applicable laws and regulation is a crime because it is very detrimental and a great danger to human life, security, and the nation.
D. Bibliography.
That's an article that I can convert. Hopeful it's useful. Friends, don't forget to subscribe and like to my